Guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you change your Google Authenticator for your Bitget. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Bitget application, and after that you will get to see this dotted icon into the top left corner. Just simply tap into that, and after that select your profile. Now, after selecting your profile, you will get to see this option of security. Now, you just simply have to tap into security, and after tapping in there, you will get this option of Google Authenticator. Now, if you have enabled the Authenticator, just simply open it and you will get to see this option of change Google Authenticator. But remember, if you only have enabled Google Authenticator, you will get this option. Now just simply tap to change Google Authenticator. Now you will just simply have to do the same process while connecting to Google Authenticator for the first time. Now you just simply have to scan either this QR code or copy this pin code into your clipboard, and after that paste it to your new authenticator, not the old one but the new authenticator. And after that, authenticator will give you a code. You just simply have to paste that 6-digit code into this box right here, and after that tap to next button. Then your Google Authenticator will successfully be changed. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.